In this video, we will discuss about integrin and the pancreatic cancer, how this integrin plays a role in the progression of the pancreatic cancer. So integrins are naturally exist in the nature in two different form. First one in the bent form, which is usually the inactive integrin stage, and another one is the active integrin, which is the open conformation. And this open conformation will trigger downstream signaling pathway through the complex formation of this FAK SRC with the help of this phosphorylation, and then this will trigger downstream signaling pathways that will affect that has a role towards the cytoskeletal reorganization. And some of these downstream signaling pathways that leads to this cytoskeletal contraction, lamellophodia formation, and phylophodia elongation. And apart from the cytoskeletal reorganization, which is an important path for this transition of the cells from epithelial to mesochemical stage, it will also affect this outside in signals uh, by it will also affect this outside in signals by changing the interaction of the extracellular matrix to the cell surface membranes, such as this collagen 1, collagen 4, and fibronectin interactions with the active integrin will increase, and that will further change this outside in and inside out signals. So this is in general terms can be considered as a cascade effect. Apart from this cytoskeletal reorganization, it will also have a crosstalk towards other signaling pathways such as this JNK pathway and this P13K AKT pathway, which is one of the survival pathways, and that plays an important role for the that plays an important role towards survival of the pancreatic cancer. And apart from this, it will trigger the growth factors such as this IGF, 1R, etc. Through these receptors, and these growth factors will again be used by the pancreatic cells for its nutrient consumption. And so this is just an overview, and the integrins that the common integrins that has been found in pancreatic cancer that or that helps in the progression of the pancreatic cancer is the integrin beta 1. And this integrin beta 1 has been found to play a role in almost every step of this pancreatic cancer progression, that is shown in the right hand side figure. That is it helps in this integrin beta 1 has been found from the initial stage of the onset of the pancreatic cancer, that is during the during this P53 mutations, and then it will leads to this uh, angiogenesis, and it plays a role. Integrin beta 1 plays a role towards this angiogenic growth factor, that helps in the nutrient supply to the pancreatic cancers. And apart from this, it also plays a important role in this tumor microenvironment, and the tumor microenvironment act as a physical barrier to prevent itself from immune surveillance, to prevent the pancreatic cancer from immune surveillance. And apart from this, it has an important role, that is to prevent the integrin beta 1 helps in the prevention of apoptosis, that I have shown here through the upregulation of the survival signaling pathway, that is P13K AKT pathway. And simultaneously it helps in the proliferation, metastasis, and metastasis such as this EMT, transition, invasion, intravasation, circulation, stabilization, colonization. So in every step of the metastasis, integrin beta 1 plays a role to support these pancreatic tumor cancers and the metastasis. And another important role that has been found out is that it it acts as a resistance. It acts as a resistance, or it provide resistance for the therapies that are used to treat pancreatic cancer, such as through various ways. Some of them are mentioned here, such as through inducing desmoplastic reaction. As we know from our previous videos, that desmoplastic reactions is the one of the important or initial stage of this pancreatic cancer. And uh, next and the next way by which this integrin beta 1 prevent the therapeutic therapeutic function is through this by affecting these drugs, by affecting this drug intercellular transport. So drugs that are being used to treat pancreatic cancer will get their efficiency will get reduced through this integrin beta 1, and also it will reduce this radio sensitivity, of through, for example, some radiotherapies are being used. Sometimes radiotherapies are being used to kill the tumor cells, and the efficiency of radiotherapy has found to be reduced through this, because of this, because of the presence of integrin beta 1. And integrin beta 1 also plays a role towards interacting with the cells in the extracellular matrix, such as matrix metalloprotease, and prevent the interactions of the pancreatic tumors from the immune cells such as lymphocyte, macrophages, by providing a physical barrier. So I hope you got an idea how this integrin prevents the pancreatic cancer, prevents the pancreatic cells uh, from being dead, or it helps the progression of the pancreatic cancer. If you need to understand more about this integrin and pancreatic cancer, you can go through the reference that has been provided in the description. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.